First of all, hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. I want to start vlogging. So sometimes it's like a bit hard to find the time to get a proper setup for my YouTube video, and I just feel like I want everything to be perfect, and sometimes I just don't have the time anymore to do this. I want to keep doing YouTube videos, so I just figured that maybe vlogging would be a good thing because I feel like it's more, I don't know, like it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, it doesn't matter if I speak and I make some mistake. So we're gonna start vlogging, guys, and if you enjoy it, please let me know. If you hate it or if you want to see something I don't know, like different, obviously let me know. Today is not going to be super interesting, obviously, because I'm staying in my room. I'm not going out today. Today I want to show you my new Reebok sneakers that I got. I don't even remember the name, but that's fine. Basically, I did a video a few months ago on the Reebok double asterisk, something like that. I got them and I decided to show them to you on my YouTube channel. For some reason, it's probably like one of the most famous video on my channel. I don't know if it's because it's Reebok or just like sneakers in general, but that's fine. I've been wearing them for every single day and I'm so tired of wearing them, to be honest. I've been wearing them way too much, like every single day, and I was just like, you know what, I think it's time for me to get a new pair. So I went on the website, but I think, so basically I think this is a limited edition. I just want to tell you the exact one I got, and also I got them from the men's section, by the way, on ASOS. It was literally sold out everywhere, so I have no idea if they actually fit. By the way, this is from laxypants, and this is a new set with a new fabric and it's super soft and I'm dying. This is like wearing heaven on your skin. And if you're interested, I have a code as well that I'm just gonna write down here, and you get 50% off, 15% off, not 50. Okay, it's called the Reebok Classic Leather Legacy Shoes Brown, but like I said, it was sold out everywhere. Can you see? Oops, sorry. And it's 130 Canadian dollars. Can you actually see? Can you focus on this? Oh my god, I swear this camera is so stupid. Yep. And like I said, I don't know if they're gonna fit because I don't even know if I got the right size, so let's get to it. ASOS. It's been a really long time since I bought from ASOS, by the way, because duties in Canada were insane and I was just so tired of it, because sometimes I was ordering things for like $100 and I was paying $80 taxes. Doesn't make any sense. Not super fancy like when I buy from Matches Fashion, but that's fine. It's definitely not my size. This is so big. Oh my, what is this size? Oh, it's a UK 5.5. Definitely not my size. Oh my god, that is so big. They look so nice. Ugh. Oh my god. Not that bad. Maybe with like really big socks, it's actually going to fit. I feel like I need to keep them. Whatever. Okay, so you get this. The logo is here, by the way. I don't know if you can see. Here. Which is quite nice. It goes with my nails. This I love. I'm just gonna wear them and I'm gonna show them on me, even though they're slightly big. Okay, so you see how my huge setup, I need to change this because I can't do vlogging with this huge mic. Okay, can you actually see anything? So you know how they say we're not symmetrical? Well, we're not, because Left foot is actually perfect, and this one is slightly, the sneaker is actually too big. So guys, this is my size. I think I did good. By the way, I'm obsessed with the outfit. I keep showing you the outfit and not the sneakers, but I'm just gonna sit down to show you. They are actually really comfortable, and this is quite big as well, like this here. Look at this. I love this. This texture here, for me, is just really unique, and it's perfect for fall as well. Look at this, guys. Yep. Definitely keeping them. I'm so happy with them. Obviously, like the other ones I have, all beige. This is a bit more colorful, but I find that it's still quite neutral. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm obsessed with the new laxypants set, is because they have a new fabric, and I just need to show you a close-up. Look at this. This is the new fabric. I was so skeptical at first because I really thought that this being like this was going to be really thick, but it's not. It's actually still quite thin, but at the same time it keeps you warm so much, and I'm honestly dying over this. Okay, this is my look for today. Well, I'm staying home, so I guess not. So now we are just going to clean all of this. Honestly, today I don't have time. I have so much things to do. I started this morning. I couldn't even start the vlog this morning. I wanted to show you like my morning coffee and all. Oh, I need to show you the new Nespresso collection, the new holiday collection. I tried it I think last week, but today I'm gonna make another one, and I just want to show you. So I think we're gonna clean first because it's no fun. By the way, I'm wearing Timeless Pearly. Oh, and this is when I don't sleep enough and when I work too much or I'm super stressed, so enjoy. Okay, let's clean this, and then I'm gonna show you my new coffee holiday collection. And I'm gonna be working here mostly. I have a mess just behind the screen, by the way. I don't know if you could see, but we need to clean that. Little flower that I got because I had a bad day, so someone was nice enough to offer me flowers. They were really cute. And I'm gonna be bringing my laptop as well because I'll be working with both screens. And now I'm just gonna make coffee, but I want to show you what I got from Nespresso first. So they sent me this bag. This is the brand. This is vegan, by the way, and it's just perfect for like my laptop. And so my laptop is in there, and then everything is, you have like little pockets here so you can put your phone, charger in there, and you also have a pocket on this side, so it's kind of big. I'm not saying this is like the prettiest bag on earth, but I think it's really practical and I love this so much. I've been using them since last week because obviously they sent it last week, and it's just perfect. Like, yeah, I love it. Ooh, it's stuck. But this is my laptop. They sent me some milk chocolate as well, salted caramel, quite popular as well in the family, as you notice. I'm lying, this is all me. So they have a holiday collection and they have 3 of them. Where's the other one? Huh. Found it. These are with flavors, but I forgot which one. And this is the new travel cup. It's quite nice, and also they changed this part here. It used to be like a lid, but now it's like you just press it. I don't know if you can see, but basically, can you actually see that? Oh, there you go. So you just press it and you drink, and then when you want to close it, you just press it back. So this is what I got from them, and now I think I'm gonna make this one. That's the one I tried and it was delicious. It was so good. I really love the design of the holiday collection. It's really cute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this and we're gonna set up the laptop on the table. So now I'm going to be working on some pictures. I basically have to edit 4 different pictures, but you'll be surprised. It's tricky. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really excited about wearing my new sneakers, obviously. I'm probably gonna make a full article on them once I have some pictures with them. And if you have any question about them, let me know. Honestly, they're really comfortable, but I didn't want to give you like a review just because I'm in my room trying them, so it doesn't really mean anything. I actually have to go outside and try them and wear them with a full outfit and wear them for a full day to tell you if they're comfortable or not. So this is the reason why I didn't want to make like a full review, just because I'm not really sure. But from what I've seen so far, they are like the other one. It's like super light, super comfortable, really nice. The colors is just really cool, and it's kind of like color block, which is something I enjoy. This is something I love. I love colors, I don't mind them, but I've been trying to stay away from them just because I get tired of them sometimes. But like orange, for some reason I don't. Green, it's fine. So I should be good. It should be fine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'm gonna keep doing the vlog thing. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you want to see more vlog, and if you do want to see more vlog, maybe there is something, you know, in specific that you want me to talk about or just to show you. So have a lovely day guys, and thank you guys so much for watching.